This unit covers the economics of organic agriculture, market trends, and the process of certification, essential components in the organic agriculture industry. As BS DevCom students, understanding these aspects is vital for both communication and development. This lecture will provide a deep dive into the economic drivers, market dynamics, and certification standards within organic agriculture. By the end of this unit, you will understand how to interpret, communicate, and advocate for organic agricultural practices in various community and economic contexts. Economics of organic agriculture. Understanding the economic aspects of organic agriculture is critical as it underpins the feasibility, profitability, and sustainability of this farming model. Economic fundamentals of organic agriculture. Organic agriculture is driven by the principle of sustainability, where the goal is to produce food in harmony with the environment. It focuses on reducing input costs. Organic farming avoids costly synthetic chemicals, relying instead on natural fertilizers like compost and biological pest control, as noted by Bachmann in 2009. Labor costs and farm management. Organic farming generally requires more labor, particularly for activities like crop rotation, soil management, and pest control, which may increase operational costs, according to Willer and Kilcher in 2012. Yield comparisons. Although yields can sometimes be lower than conventional farming, well-managed organic farms can achieve competitive yields, especially for specific crops like fruits and vegetables, as found by Seufert, Ramankutty, and Foley in 2012. Costs and revenue in organic agriculture. The financial dynamics of organic farming revolve around various cost and revenue factors, including production costs, higher initial labor costs, and investment in soil enrichment. Price premiums. Organic products often sell at higher prices due to demand for chemical-free, sustainably produced goods. Market demand and supply elasticity. Organic products cater to a niche market with elastic demand. Higher prices often result in lower demand. Profitability analysis. Despite higher costs, organic farming can be profitable due to reduced long-term costs for fertilizers and pesticides, improved soil health, which maintains productivity, higher price premiums from consumers willing to pay more for organic products. Key economic implication. For BS DevCom students, understanding these aspects equips you with the tools to help local farmers weigh the pros and cons of organic versus conventional farming and to communicate these factors to their communities effectively. Make the background music educational. The organic agriculture market has been one of the fastest-growing food sectors globally, driven by consumer demand for health, environmental responsibility, and social welfare. Rising consumer demand. Growing awareness of health and environmental issues has led consumers to seek organic options, particularly in high-income countries. Expansion in developing countries. Organic agriculture is gaining traction in developing regions, including the Philippines, as a means of promoting sustainable rural development. In the Philippines, organic agriculture aligns with initiatives to reduce chemical pesticide use and encourage sustainable food production. Key trends include government support. Programs like the Organic Agriculture Act promote organic farming through subsidies, training, and market access. Increased consumer awareness. Philippine consumers are becoming more health conscious, and there is rising demand for chemical-free produce. Local market challenges. Limited distribution networks, higher prices, and lack of awareness in some regions remain challenges. Trends in organic product demand are quite fascinating. Vegetables and fruits are the primary organic products because of the high demand for fresh, chemical-free produce. According to Bachmann in 2009, this trend has been steadily increasing. Additionally, there's a growing interest in organic packaged foods, such as snacks, juices, and dairy products. Willer and Lernoud noted this in 2019. Furthermore, organic exports are an emerging sector, providing opportunities for Philippine farmers to enter global markets. This was highlighted by Willer and Kilcher back in 2012. Key market implications are significant for BS DevCom students. They need to understand these trends as they highlight the opportunities and challenges facing organic farmers. Additionally, it underscores the importance of effective communication strategies to promote organic products.
Exposing the secrets behind that organic label on your food. Time to understand organic certification. Organic certification is the gold standard for trust in organic products. It's not just a label, it's a promise that the food you're eating meets rigorous standards. First up, why is certification important? It builds consumer trust, opens access to premium markets, and ensures quality standards across the board. The certification process starts with farmers applying and providing extensive documentation. Next, inspectors visit the farm to check for compliance. If all checks out, the farm gets certified and can proudly label its products as organic. In the Philippines, the Organic Certification Center of the Philippines leads this effort with international options like USDA and EU for exports. Don't forget participatory guarantee systems. These are community-based, cost-effective alternatives making certification accessible, especially for small farmers. BS DevCom students, championing certification means championing credibility. Let's support small farmers and build trust in organic agriculture.
Our planet is a delicate oasis in the vastness of space. This care extends to the food we consume and how we produce it. Organic agriculture has emerged as a beacon of hope, a way to nourish ourselves while respecting the Earth's delicate balance. More and more people are choosing organic foods driven by concerns for their health and the environment. Organic farming is not just a trend, it is a return to our roots. The Industrial Revolution introduced chemical-intensive practices that have had unintended consequences. Organic agriculture presents an alternative, a way to produce food without harming the environment or our health. It is time to examine the complexities of organic agriculture and understand its potential to create a more sustainable and nourishing future for all. Embracing organic agriculture requires navigating a complex landscape of challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is the higher cost of production. Organic farming often requires more labor, as tasks like weeding cannot rely on chemical shortcuts. Organic fertilizers and pest control methods can also be more expensive than their conventional counterparts. These factors contribute to higher prices for organic products, making them less accessible to some consumers. Competition in the market presents another obstacle. Organic farmers often operate on a smaller scale than industrial farms. This can make it difficult to compete on price, especially in a globalized food system. Regulation and certification pose further complications. By understanding these obstacles, we can work towards solutions that make organic farming more accessible and viable for both producers and consumers. The success of organic agriculture hinges on knowledge and its dissemination. Many farmers lack access to the information and training needed to transition to and thrive in organic systems. Traditional agricultural education often focuses on conventional methods, leaving a gap in understanding about organic practices. Information about organic farming can be fragmented and difficult to access, especially in developing countries. Extension services may not have the resources or expertise to adequately support organic operations. Bridging this knowledge gap is crucial. We need to invest in farmer education and training programs that specifically address the principles and practices of organic agriculture. Accessible, region-specific information on organic pest control, soil management, and crop rotation is essential for farmers to succeed. By empowering farmers with the knowledge they need, we can unlock the full potential of organic agriculture. Despite the challenges, organic agriculture offers a beacon of hope in an era of environmental concern. Consumer demand for organic products is on the rise, driven by growing awareness of the health and environmental benefits. This demand presents a significant opportunity for organic farmers to expand their operations and meet the needs of a growing market. Governments around the world are recognizing the importance of supporting organic agriculture. Subsidies, tax breaks, and other incentives are being implemented to encourage farmers to transition to organic practices. These programs can help to level the playing field, making organic farming more financially viable and competitive. Organic agriculture is inherently more sustainable than conventional farming. By eschewing synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, organic farming protects our waterways, soil, and biodiversity. The growing consumer demand, coupled with government support, paints a promising future for organic agriculture. As we look towards the future of organic agriculture, several trends emerge that promise to shape its trajectory. Technology, often seen as antithetical to organic practices, can actually play a positive role. Precision agriculture techniques, such as sensor-based monitoring and data analytics, can be adapted to organic systems. These technologies can help optimize resource use, improve yields, and reduce the environmental footprint of organic farms. Sustainable packaging solutions are another area of innovation. Biodegradable and compostable packaging options made from materials like plant-based plastics and mushroom-based composites are gaining traction. Local market development is crucial for the growth of organic agriculture. Farmers markets, community-supported agriculture programs, and direct-to-consumer sales models allow organic farmers to connect directly with consumers. By embracing innovation and adapting to changing consumer preferences, organic agriculture can continue to thrive and expand its reach. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Organic agriculture stands as a powerful testament to our capacity to produce food in a way that nourishes both our bodies and our planet. As we have explored, this path is not without its obstacles, but the opportunities it presents are too great to ignore. It is imperative that we equip the next generation with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complexities of our food systems. Students in agricultural studies have a crucial role to play in shaping the future of food production. By understanding the challenges and opportunities within organic agriculture, they can become effective advocates for change. We must encourage young minds to think critically about the interconnectedness of food, the environment, and human health. Let us provide them with the tools and the inspiration to cultivate a more sustainable and just food future.